Are you struggling with irregular shaped parts? Well, this work holding solution from Schunk could be the solution you've been looking for. Marcel, now this bit of work holding looks quite interesting. So what can you tell me about it?
So this is our Chuck Rotor ML Flex 2+2, quite a mouthful there. But what it is, although it looks like a chuck, and it is a chuck, also behaves like a vise. So what we have in here, it's a workpiece designed for the growing demands of the mill turn. So as the mill turn machines become more and more popular, more customers move into their 5-axis with their full capacity, their flexibility, the wonderful features of the machine can only be utilized if you have a good work holding to go with it. And that's what we're trying to do here.
So how does this actually work? Because like you said, there's a lot going on here.
So basically what we have is 2 axes that can operate together, hence the 2+2. So you have 2 jaws that will self-center, right? So what does that mean in real life? You can hold anything that you can think of. Teardrops, rectangles, cylindricals, oval components can be accommodated because as one set of jaws moves into the center, the other set of jaws can go to a different position. So they're independent from each other in the sense that you can hold different distances from different axes.
Surely that's going to help people who are working a lot with soft jaws, because you'll not need soft jaws anymore because you can move these independent.
The soft jaw, the jaws program, you can actually either come from us or even do your own. You can actually introduce pendulum jaws and pie jaws, but more than that, what you can do, like I said, this can also be a vise. So now you eliminate these 2, and now you have a vise going across here, or you have a vise going across here, or, and you can see these little spots in here, you can take this off and use it as a fixed jaw and have the other jaw coming across that one, and vice versa, in all directions. So, like I said before, I think, maybe in another video, we're losing track, if you can imagine, you can make it.
See, I like that. I like how there's so many different options in one. And let's be honest, the work holding of this size isn't a light piece of equipment. So you don't want to be unnecessarily taking that off, putting it on. So if you've got all of that flexibility in one, then that's going to save you a lot of time as well.
Absolutely. So these, ideally, is one that you drop and keep it in there and use for all your work. Also, we can grow and extend it. So because 500 millimeters might not be enough for you, and my product engineers, apologies if I get this wrong, we go all the way to 1.8 meters.
1.8 meters, that's just, I wouldn't even like to imagine trying to machine something at 1.8 meters, never mind the work holding.
Yeah.
Well, Marcel, it's been great to hear about this piece of work holding, and it's great to see just how much flexibility you are giving to your customers. So from me and everyone at MTDCNC, thank you so much for your time today.
No, thank you guys.